Do you like the beach?
Welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Cedric Ishimwe. If you're a returning viewer, thanks for coming back. But if you're new here, where have you been? Last time I told you I am going to Gisenyi, and this is it. Good morning, guys. I just woke up when Lake Kivu is just on my face. So here we are actually going in town. We wake up early in the morning and we passed around the Brightwa industry where they produce all beers, Amstel, Mitsingi, Henken, and all alcoholic drinks, right? In Gisenyi. This is like where they produce all beers in Rwanda. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Cedric Ishimwe. If you're a returning viewer, thanks for coming back. But if you're new here, where have you been? Kishokai Studio. As you can see, we are here at Serena Hotel this time. We are here in Gisenyi. This is Serena Hotel. Why not?
Nah, this swimming pool is nice. Nah, for me, I'm swimming. Yeah. Nah, for me, I'm swimming.
Abigail. Here we actually wanted to first see the water, how is it, and we actually said let us actually go to check a Rwandan, I mean the made in Rwanda boat, right? To check if this made in Rwanda boat can accommodate us, like we're actually more than 7 people. And we actually ended up choosing Serena Hotel boat. Here I was actually writing my name on the sand, like Kishokai Studio. This YouTube channel, Kishokai. So this time I was actually thinking to change the name of my YouTube channel from Cedric Ishimwe to Kishokai Studio. So I said, I know I will change the name, but this time I'm in Gisenyi, I'm on the sand, I'm in front of water. Let me just write the name Kishokai and see if it actually sounds great, right? Yep. Even here, I took some time and write the name of my friends, different kind of names. Rwanda. I wrote Juice of Africa. I wrote my name, Cedric. So many names. Probably I will share such kind of videos on my TikTok, Kishokai. My account on TikTok is called Kishokai, right? Yep.
Oh boy.
So then here I was actually chatting with people, asking more about, the history of Gisenyi, showing me the other side of Goma, the city in the Democratic Republic of the Congo. Because it's actually, you can see like over there, the Goma side of the DRC. Yep. Then after that, I was actually listening some revolution songs, and I even sang, Asimbonangu mandera chena rape kuna rape theri kuna Asimbonangu mandera chena rape kuna rape theri kuna.
Kawasaki nayo is one of the boat here. You can rent and use in the Kivu here. There's another one big one which we're going to use today. So they're now preparing us for us to be able to enjoy in the boat. What? Come on, fashions. Asimbonangu mandera chena rape kuna rape theri kuna. Why this water don't even want me to write juice of Africa? This water juice of Africa. I see. Hey, these guys, the boat is now ready. I see. Bona mandera chena rape kuna rape theri kuna. Oh boy.
I was really excited to see such kind of boat coming, and this was actually made in Rwanda boat, and we were actually going to join the modern boat here. I am going to show you Goma. If you can see that side, that's the Democratic Republic of the Congo, and the city called Goma.
Here. I guess the boat is now ready. We are about to go in. There's another boat coming. So when you come here at the beach, you either choose this one or this one. This is made in Rwanda. This one is more modern boat, right? Yeah, so we are going inside.
So guys, catch me up in another video because I am going in the boat right now. I really hope you liked this video, and if you did, please give me a big thumbs up, subscribe down below, and I will see you in the next video.